Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your study abroad plans with CIEE, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin resetting your study abroad plans with CIEE, start by assessing your current situation. Identify the reasons for needing to reset your plans. Whether it's due to health concerns, financial constraints, or personal circumstances, clarity is essential. Visit the CIEE website to gather information on available programs. Explore the various locations and academic options currently offered. Review the application requirements for each program that interests you. Reach out to your academic advisor for guidance on how this change may affect your degree. Connect with CIEE advisors via their contact options for personalized support. Discuss your concerns and preferences during this conversation. Consider the timeline for your new study abroad experience. Make note of application deadlines, documentation requirements, and upcoming program start dates. Gather all necessary documents for your new application, including transcripts and letters of recommendation. Submit your new application through the CIEE online portal. Keep track of your application status by checking your email and the portal regularly. Once accepted into a new program, review the pre-departure materials provided by CIEE. Prepare for any visa requirements specific to your new destination. Attend any pre-departure orientations offered by CIEE for additional insights. Stay updated on health and safety protocols related to your study abroad plans. Lastly, maintain an open line of communication with CIEE throughout your journey. This proactive approach ensures a smooth transition into your new study abroad experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.